I'll show you how to block WhatsApp group messages without exiting the group. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps. There are two methods to block group messages without leaving the group: archiving the group and muting notifications. Method 1. Archive the group. Press and hold the group chat you want to archive. Tap the archive icon at the top of the screen. The group will disappear from your main chat screen. To access it later, go to Archive Chats in your WhatsApp menu. This way the group stays hidden, and you won't see new messages unless you check the archive. Method to mute group notifications. Open the group chat you want to mute. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, and go to the group info tab on notifications. Now turn on mute notifications in message section. Choose to mute the group for 8 hours, 1 week, or always. This will block notifications, but the group will still be visible in your chat list. And that's it. You now know how to block WhatsApp group messages without exiting the group. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching.